What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be pulling the motor on the 240 and I'm going to be getting the engine bay ready for paint. So let's get started. Alright, we got the engine all hooked up, everything's ready to pull, so let's get started. Well, the motor's out, all in one piece, and now it's time to get this thing cleaned up. After a quick power wash, it's looking much better. So now I need to remove this old wiring harness. I'm just going to come in the car here and undo it from the ECU. Well, I got it power washed, got the wiring out and the wiper motor out, so just got to keep working at it, get things a little bit more cleaned up, and then I can start painting.